Withdrawing money from your Swiggy account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings and options. Step 3. Select Wallet or Earnings. Look for the Wallet or Earnings section in your profile. This is where you can view your available balance and transaction history. Step 4. Choose Withdraw. In the Wallet or Earnings section, find the option to withdraw or transfer to bank. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 5. Enter withdrawal details. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and select your bank account if prompted. Confirm the details and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation message once the transaction is processed. After completing these steps, your money should be on its way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Swiggy customer support for assistance.